Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way on how to always appear offline on Roblox. So let's begin. So here we are in Roblox, and the first thing that we need to do is once you are here in roblox.com, you want to go click here on settings and the gear icon at the top right and click on settings. And from here you want to go into your privacy. And from here you want to go here into who can message me. You want to set this to no one. And who can text chat with me in app and text chat with me, no one, right there. And from here you can just not mind this one, you can just set this to everyone because it's not really necessary. But for this one right here, you want to go and set this off, and then who can message me is set to no one. This is the most important one, and you can just go basically just go for friends right here if you'd want to, but in my case I just go for no one right here. And yeah, this is the settings on how you can appear offline, so that your friends will be able to see that you are online even if you are online and currently playing here on Roblox. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.